Okay, sleeves. Power Ranger. Chop, chop. Mambo.
Yeah. Mambo. Let's go now.
Now kick him in the nuts, kick him in the face. Hi-ya. Smells so good. And it's made by Tahiri Home or Tahari.
Yeah.
Did you subscribe? Why not? Do it. What's up, everybody?
Hey, Mr. Shem, what's happening?
My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, if you have just stumbled across my channel and you've never been here, we shops around here, okay?
Women be shopping, baby. Women be shopping. Hey, you can't stop a woman from shopping, baby.
That's true, women do shop.
We plays no games. So today I will be bringing you guys a haul, and it's all about my favorite thing in the world, well, in the design world, marble. I say it probably every video. I love marble, especially a good bold one. It just does something to my soul. It just makes, it's my happy place. So today is a haul all about that, and we're just gonna hop right into it. First up, I have these pastry boards that I found at Homegoods, and if you know marble, if you know true natural stone, all of them are not created equal, and this is a prime example. So, hold please. I forgot to take the tags off this stuff. Okay, so I love a good nasty marble, right?
Ooh, nasty.
So I was in Homegoods in the kitchen section and I found these pastry boards and I about died. Can you just look at the details? Look at the green you get in there. You get some tans, you get some creams, and I just had to have it. I got two of them. So there's this one, which is, it has a lot of like variations in it. And this is a little bit more muted, but you get the same color palette. And I just thought these would be so good to like, on a cute little date night, put some sushi on here. I plan to use this as a plate. I actually read that marble isn't really good for cutting on. Boom! Because I was going to use this as a cutting board to do like my reels and my TikToks because I'm trying to get more into that. But I do plan on using this, like I said, as like a plate. You can use this as a serving tray. And also you can use these as like a backdrop. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay. So if you like sit this up on your counter, kind of something like this, and put your glass or your coffee mug or whatever you're trying to display on like a TikTok or a reel or even photographs. This is really good for that if you don't have like a custom kitchen with your dream like countertops and backsplash. So this is multi-purpose and I'm so glad I found them. They were only $12.99 a piece, and let's just get back into the details because I mean, can you even? Like, I'm dying. Look at that little corner down there. It's so, so good. And here's the second one. So you still get the same color variation, but it's just a little bit more subtle. Ooh. Do not break because I will die. And these kind of trays are actually really good in like a bathroom or like a vanity to put your perfumes, your oils, you know, anything you want to display, just to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And I don't know, just stuff like this, I can honestly sit this up like this on a bookshelf and I'll be fine. Because I don't know about y'all, but I love looking at design mood boards. Like, they really bring me a sense of peace. And I have these, hold on, let me show you. Okay, I shared these in a video like a while ago, but I have these marble pieces that I got on Etsy, my favorite type of marble, which is the Viola Calcutta marble. And these are literally just sitting on my coffee table. Like, there's nothing on them. These are actually made, they were listed as like statue holders or something. I just have them sitting because they're so pretty and they really give me like a design mood board on my coffee table, and I love it. So you can make design whatever you want it to be. Case in point. So yeah, don't sleep on the kitchen section in HomeGoods or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. You know, they all carry pretty much the same stuff, and I'm just so obsessed. I'm so happy I found these. And again, $13. Get it, sis. Okay, so next up I have another marble tray, and this one is a little bit more subtle but still good nonetheless. It is huge, okay? This is probably, I would say, about either 16 or 18 inches long, and I'm just in love with it. I really got this to be like a little serving tray. I like to eat in my bed or on the couch, so I was thinking I can put my food and my drink, or whoever I'm with at the time, we can put our food on here and eat off of it so we don't spill crumbs all over the floor and I have to vacuum. But these are also good for, like, again, bathroom. Put your stuff in here just to kind of organize it and make it more centralized and more pretty. I have seen a marble tray like this, and I don't think it was this big, on Crate & Barrel's website. Then it was well over $20. I want to say it was like $50. So that was a steal, and like I said, multi-purpose, can't go wrong, and marble, it was a no-brainer. And this is heavy. Like, it's not little faux marble here, a little marble look tray. No, this is actual marble, and I had to get my hands on it. Okay, this next piece, amazing. So in my last video, I told you guys that I had been looking for a bath caddy that was a little bit more elevated, and I found that amazing, like, live edge wood bath caddy, and I still love that, still gonna keep it. But I came across this one in HomeGoods the other day, and didn't take tags off this one either. Just give me 1 second. But this was only $29.99, and it is, so it's wood that has been stained in this deep, like, I don't know if it's dark brown. It looks almost black, but you can see the brown peeking through. And then it has this amazing strip of marble down the middle, and oh, so good. I don't know if I said it was only $29.99. It's super heavy, so very good quality, and they just give me different vibes. I don't know about you guys, but like in a bathtub, it kind of, yes, I want to relax, but depending on the aesthetic around the tub, it'll give you a different mood. So my other caddy is gonna give very serene, natural, I just woke up like this type of mood. But this one is gonna give me like sexy, bold, edgy. I'm ready to get into something after I get out of the tub, right? Get your minds out of the gutter. Like, I'm just saying, like, if I want to take a bath and then go out or something and just feel extra sexy, like on a date night or something, not necessarily in the bed. So yes, love this. I just love how modern and sleek it looks. So I think I'm gonna put this one in my bed, in my guest bathroom until I'm ready to use it, because I feel like the wooden one is more of my everyday, and this one is like special occasion, like we got something going on after I get out of this tub. You know what I mean? So we have a little demonstration. So you can put your little soap bottle. This is one I got on Amazon. It looks exactly like the Aesop bottle, but it's not. This one says shower gel on it. Put that one on there. Get you a little candle. This is a little oud candle I found at HomeGoods. Smells so, so good. And, oh, no, no. Wait a minute. We're gonna get this. Hold on, just give me a second. Hold on. Lift it up. Okay, y'all get the point. It's just so good, and it's just so bold and so sexy and so edgy. I just had to have it just to bring a different vibe if I feel I need one. If I feel like I need one. I didn't really see anything else like this online. Like, I tried to look for dupes and things that look like this so I can kind of get some price comparison. But honestly, the only bath caddies I saw were either all marble or all wood. So, I don't know. I feel like this is special and I had to bring it home. So, so good. Okay, so next up I got some marble bowls. They were both $24.99. This one, I kept the tag on here on purpose so I can tell you that it was handcrafted in Indonesia. Foreign. Luxury. Fancy. But now we can take that off so you can see it in all of its glory. This one is just amazing. I just love how deep of a tan it is. I don't have like anything this color. Most of my stuff is like kind of an off-white or a cream in a bowl. So I thought this is really good. And they had a couple of them, but I wanted to purposely get this one because it had a lot of variation in it and it looked just, you know how some things can look too perfect where it looks manufactured? I tend to try to get things that look imperfect so they look very natural and very organic and genuine. So this was it. It has some little white specks in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, not the light, that white speck down there. That's the light. But it's just so good and it just looks so good on a table. I honestly got this for snacks so I can feel like fancy and stuff. I'm eating snacks.
You crazy as hell.
But on the bottom it says decorative only, not for food use.
Boom!
So I could put food in here, but I'm not gonna chance that because I don't know what that does to the body. But yeah, literally in most elevated spaces on a coffee table, you see a bowl.
One bowl.
Like just one bowl. You look over here, one bowl on the table. You look over there, one bowl on the console table. So these pieces are good for decorative use, like the bottom of it says, and I just love it. Just brings a little bit something extra to a space where you don't want a lot going on, but you still need like a little something. So I got this like creamy, light brown tan one, and then I got this gray and white one, which I just thought it was really classic. This one doesn't say it's only for decorative use. But then it doesn't say food safe either, so I don't know. I honestly got this for like popcorn and stuff, but now I don't know if I can eat out of it. But I'm still gonna keep it because it's just so cute. And if you look really closely, stop hating light. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So you can see a little bit of brown down there in it. So I just love the color variation of this. This is giving me very like peanut butter caramel vibes. And then this one gives me like Hershey's cookies and cream. So love these. And like I said, they're only $24.99 a piece. You can find these bowls pretty much anywhere. I can't guarantee they'll be $25, but I did see one on, I think it was Crate and Barrel or CB2. I don't know, I put it up on the side of the screen. And yeah, these are just no-brainers. Every time I see little decorative bowls, I usually get them because literally you can put them anywhere and they're so versatile. So, yeah. Okay, and last but not least, I got another decorative piece, another marble decorative piece, and it's this little guy. I just thought he was so cute. I don't know what it is about it. It was just calling my name, like, get me, buy me, bring me home. So I did. It was only $24.99 as well, and it's made by Tahiri Home or Tahari. Tahari Home, which Homegoods carries a lot of their pieces, and every piece I've come across has been bomb. So keep an eye out for that brand in your stores. But yeah, this is just, what does it say? This is handcrafted in India. So again, we have a well-traveled home on a budget. My favorite thing. But yeah, this is good for like bookshelves, bookcases, console tables, on your kitchen counter, in the bathroom, pretty much anywhere. And I just love that this actually comes off, but at the moment, actually, let me give you the full experience. Let me get some scissors. Give me a second. Okay, so I took the zip ties out, and this actually comes off of the stand. So if you don't want it on the stand, you could take it off. I don't know what else you can use this for. Maybe if you just want to sit it on your, this will look cool on top of a book. Like if you just sit it on top of there just to add a little bit of visual interest. That might look kind of weird. I don't know. But like I said, I got it. I couldn't resist. It was just so good. And the stand is metal. It's not plastic. So very high quality. And yeah, $24.99. Throw it in the bag. Why not? Okay, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because the next video may or may not be a bedroom tour. Is it? I don't know. You'll have to tune back in to see. Same great time? Well, no, because I don't do it the same time every week. but same network for sure. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that, I already said that. I'm gonna say it again. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.